It was indeed a rather warm day for December across the valley today. Temperatures are in the 80s. Pretty much valley-wide, and some of those readings were records. Take a look. Harlingen made it to 87. That tied a record. Brownsville, 86. That broke the record. The old record was 85. McAllen made it to 85. That wasn't a record. And Weslaco hit 84. That tied the old record. So it was a hot day across the valley, certainly for December today. Tomorrow will be warm, but probably not quite that warm. We'll look at the highs in a moment. These are the currents. Everybody's in the 70s right now, which for a lot of the valley, that's warmer than it was all day the last 2 or 3 days. So pretty nice warm up across the area. Our lows are going to work their way down into the 60s, but that's about it. It's going to be a pretty mild night, and there will probably be patchy fog around the area. Not as widespread as last night, but there'll be some. And then tomorrow, we probably won't reach those record levels, but we'll still be in the upper 70s. Humidity will be down a little bit. It's a mix of clouds and sun tomorrow, so it looks like a pretty nice day across the region. Our average high tomorrow across the valley will be 79. That's well above the 30-year normal, which is 71. Then we got 83 on Thursday and 85 on Friday. So this week leading up to Christmas, unseasonably warm. But by Monday, we will have forgotten about how warm it was this week because it's going to be downright chilly for Christmas Day and probably the day after Christmas. A few clouds overhead tonight, but a pretty nice night all in all. And if you watch your future track, shows that front coming through overnight tonight. That should get the fog out of here, and we'll end up with some partly sunny skies by afternoon. And again, temperatures warm up into the upper 70s. We keep going. Thursday, the wind's already back out of the south, so that brings the dew points back up, brings the humidity back up, but still partly sunny skies. When we go to Friday, same kind of thing. It's a mix of clouds and sun, but a very warm day. You saw those highs on Friday, well up into the 80s. Now, late Friday night, there's about a 30% chance for a shower or a thunder shower when that next front moves through. We're talking about at night, probably midnight or maybe even later than that. So Friday is a dry day, but Friday evening, that chance for a couple of showers does show up. Look at the rest of Texas. Well, we're sitting here at 73, so is Houston, but Austin's only 65, Del Rio's only 47. Dallas is 60 degrees tonight. A fair amount of cloudiness across the state today. A lot of those clouds moving out. You can kind of pick out where the front is when you look at this, stretching from East Texas right down to about Falcon Lake. That front pushes on through tonight and falls apart. Doesn't amount to much. Gives us slightly drier air for tomorrow, but the southeast wind kicks back in for Thursday and Friday, so we're very warm. Then Thursday, or Friday night rather, this front pushes through. That cools it off, brings about a 30% chance for a shower. I think daytime Saturday's dry. I think daytime Sunday for the most part is dry, but then Sunday night into Monday, the next front comes in, and that makes it much colder for Christmas Day across the valley. At the coast tomorrow, just a terrific day. 71 to start the day. Temperatures don't go much of anywhere all day long, staying near 70. Southeasterly winds by the end of the day. The front's impact will be gone by that point. Here are the tides. The seas are 2 to 4 feet, a light chop on the bay. The bay temperature checks in right now at 64 degrees. So for tonight, partly cloudy with patchy fog, variable winds about 4 to 8. Then tomorrow with some fog early, then partly sunny skies. Your high tomorrow should be around 79 degrees. And we've got 3 very warm days through Friday. Friday night, Saturday, the first front comes in, and look at Saturday, 69, still mild, but cooler than it's been. Turns windy and colder late Sunday with the next front coming in, and then it's cold and sunny on Monday, Christmas Day. Look at the morning low of 35 with the daytime high no warmer than about 51 degrees. Now, as we look at this, confidence is still high for about the first 4 days, for days 5, 6, and 7, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and the day after. We're kind of medium on the confidence right now, exactly how these temperatures are going to work out and just how much sunshine we're going to see. But right now, the holidays look mainly dry, but mainly chilly. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.